Namaste everyone. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very great and stay safe with your family. I am Master Swarup and you are watching Cures. Karma is the only way to success. So today we are going to learn Paschimottanasana's alignment. In this lesson, I will teach you how to support a beginner to perform it perfectly and also share with you tips and technique to apply in this posture. So let's get to the practical lesson. But before that, if you are a new member on this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming classes. And if you enjoy this video, do like, comment and share. So let's get started. So first we need two blocks and strap and set up your mat in front of the wall. Okay, like this. So first I'll show you the Paschimottanasana. Okay, sit in a comfortable pose. Okay, and if possible, so stretch your butt up like this. Okay, pull your toe inside and raise your hands. Okay, this is the mother posture of Paschimottanasana. Okay, now inhale, raise your hands up. Okay, and exhale here down. If you want, you can catch your toes. Okay, you can cover your full to full feet, or if you possible, you can try two fingers to catch your big toes like this. Okay, so I'll show you just this one. Okay, cover your feet. Now take the inhale. Keep your spine straight. Okay, shove your belly in. And exhale, pull your spine and middle back and drop your elbow. Put your head down now. Okay, this is a mother posture. But if you want to achieve this one, so what do you have to do? So first thing is, we need a block. Okay, so we can put underneath like this. Okay, like this. We have to keep our spine straight. Basically, what we have to do, when we preach in the center or the class, we saw our member like they do perform like this one. Okay, so that means they cannot stretch their feet properly. Okay, and stretch their spine properly. So for that kind of member, I will teach you. First, use block. Okay, put your blocks underneath like this. Okay, and keep your spine straight. Okay, then catch your toe. If you cannot, so just use your strap like this. Okay, hold on here. Okay, but don't pull up. Okay, place your hands forward. Try to keep your spine straight. Okay, look at me here. Okay, so you can understand. Here. Okay. Place your hands here. Rapid one time. Now take it. Okay. I just try to keep my spine straight. Okay. Instead of lie down. Okay. Lying down. Now take it. Inhale. Just okay. Bend your knee and try to put your belly on the thigh like this. Okay. On your thigh here. Okay. And bend your elbow. Keep your spine straight. Pull your spine. Okay. Torso forward. Okay. And straight your shoulder. Look front, look at me here. Okay. First. Okay, doing this one. Now inhale. Again release. Okay. And exhale. Put your belly on the thigh here. Okay. Now inhale. So front. And exhale. Put your belly forward. Like this. Just keep your spine straight, okay? Now inhale, front. Okay, and exhale. Catch here, pull your body forward, bend your elbow to front. Now hold on here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay, this one. But also if you feel pain with this one, so you can make your blocks like this, horizontal. Okay. Like this here. Okay. And also this is easy for you if you are a pre-beginner. So just grab your legs by strap, okay, and then grab your hands also with the blocks, okay, and strap. Now take breathe then, okay, don't carve your feet like this, okay, just keep your feet straight, or if you cannot, so you can use wall, okay, as a take a support. So look at it first, then inhale, keep your spine straight, okay, just suck your belly in and move your body forward, okay, just put your belly on thigh, okay. So now inhale and exhale. Look at my spine. Can you see? It's straight now. Now inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Okay, like this. Then relax. Second, put your blocks horizontally and then sit on the block. Okay, this I'll show you from this side. Okay, like this. Sit here and then put your feet on the wall. Okay, like this. And catch your feet. Okay, grab your feet by strap and then try to place your hands here closer. Just try to keep your spine straight. Okay, now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Can you see? Now inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. I just pull my lower back, okay, lumbar spine, okay, lumbar joint. I pull my lumbar joint and thoracic part, okay, not cervical, okay, just thoracic and lumbar, okay, just try to pull and try to stretch your hip muscle also. So look at me here, again, check breathe. Now inhale, final times, okay, and exhale, look from, put my belly, okay, I try to put my belly on my thigh and look from now hold. 6, look at me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're gonna relax, okay, the second and third also. Third also is a little bit difficult, but we can try. So first is, you need a strap to lock it like this, okay, and then make it bigger and then wear it, okay, and try to grab your legs with the strap, and when you straight your legs, it automatically pull your body down like this, okay. So what you have to do, look at my feet, okay, so I just carve now here, I just try to put my feet on the wall, okay, so and then pull your strap up a little bit, okay, near spine, okay, so place your hands next to your ankle, look at me here, okay, and then try to pull my body forward, okay, just listen to me and then follow me. Now take breathe, inhale, so move your body forward like this, okay, if possible you can a little bit down, okay, you can pull your this a little bit down, okay, like this, okay, and now move your body forward, okay, so like this, then try to pull your lower back, okay, instead of upper back, and now take breathe, inhale, stretch up, then inhale and up, stretch up, okay, look front and exhale. Now inhale, same up, try to pull up more and exhale. Now inhale, same up, look up, pull your belly forward, suck your belly in and stretch your lower back and exhale. Okay, 2 more times. Inhale, same up, exhale, down. Okay, now final times, try to put your palms on the mat, okay, and then stretch up. Now inhale, So move your body forward and try to put your belly on your thigh and keep your spine straight. Now hold. 6, hold on. 5, try to stretch up. 4, keep your both knees straight. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay. Like this. And now we'll use the wall. So move your both legs forward like this and use 2 blocks to take a support. Okay. Place your blocks next to your feet and place your hands forward and put your hip on the wall, and then try to keep our spine straight. Okay. Now take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Look at me. Okay. I just pull my belly towards the thigh. And now inhale, exhale. Keep our spine straight. Inhale, exhale. Now 5 times. Inhale, again exhale. Front. Now hold. 6, 5. Keep your spine straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay. And when you do this one also you feel pain. Okay. Underneath the shoulder, hamstring muscle. Okay, and also knee. Now this posture. When you do it, this posture, if something is slippery, okay, if floor is slippery, so it will be better for you. But if you don't have slippery floor or something, so you can use towel. Okay, put under your heel and then pull your legs forward. Okay, easy for you. So first I do it. Okay, first bend your knee like this. Okay, little bit move your legs forward. Okay, just catch. Okay, cover your toes like this by hands. Okay, but don't pull it too much and try to move your feet a bit forward here. Okay, make your knee together and I try to pull my spine up. Okay, and put my chest on knee and try to put my head in shin bones. Okay, then I try to pull my legs straight. Okay, then you will see the posture. So first place your hands here. Okay, take breath. Inhale, up, pull your body forward and exhale simply down, put your head down. Okay, like this. Again. Okay, 2 more times. Try. Do it. First bend your knee, catch your toes and move your toe a little bit forward like this, legs. Take breath. Inhale. Try to keep your spine straight, suck your belly in. Okay, stretch up. And try to pull your body forward towards the knee. And exhale simply down. Bend your elbow, put your elbow down and head down. Okay. Now, 1 more times. Bend your knee, catch your toes, move your both knees forward. Okay, take breath. Inhale, shuck up and exhale. Simply down, drop your elbow and head down. Now hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now relax. Okay, like this. If you feel pain, you can do some twisting posture like this. Okay, like this. That's all. Thank you so much for joining me and let me know about this class in the comment below. And if you enjoy this class, do like, comment and share. See you next video. Until then, keep learning, keep applying and be healthy. Hare Krishna.